Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. Today I've popped into town without Bella because it's a little bit too hot to take some footage of fountains and statues that we can find in the city. Some that are on the obvious tourist trail and maybe some that you've never seen before. So stay tuned and see how we get on. The Maximilian Fountain, or the Roland Fountain as it's more commonly known, is located in the Old Town in the main square. Its construction was ordered by Maximilian II in 1572 to provide clean public water supply. Here we have a statue of St George slaying the dragon. You can find it in the courtyard of the Primate's Palace. If you pass through the arch behind it, you'll come across some statues, but if you turn left through another archway, you'll come across a Mediterranean-style courtyard and a fountain that people very often miss. Maybe not the most romantically named urinating fountain with a fish, but it consists of 3 parts, and the basin probably is from a destroyed fountain, but the middle segment originally came from the Roland's fountain that we saw earlier, and was later topped by a fish. This fountain is called A Girl with a Deer, or Diane, depending on which story you believe. Some people believe it's based on a German folk fairy tale from the Grimm brothers. Other people believe it's the goddess of the hunt, Diana. Either way, it's one of my favourite ones in the city. Duck Fountain is also based on a fable about a goblin who wanted to play with the goose herders. He disguised himself as a boy, but when the boys stripped off for a swim in a cool river, the goblin refused to play, and they teased him until he got so angry that he turned them all into stone. It's a fabulous little fountain that gets very few visitors. Well worth a look if you're passing Eurovia and walking down into the Old Town. The Dancer Fountain is a contemporary sculpture built in 2007, and the fountain represents a female figure spinning in dance. Time to get a drink, I think. There are lots of water fountains around that are drinkable, but I think it's time for something different. How about a selfacino from the 5 Point Cafe? Delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and tell me which is your favourite fountain in Bratislava. So from me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching.